Hello class, I'm Ulysses Rodriguez and my partner is Michael Menezes, and this is our physics project. So as you can see here, we have a spinning contraption and it is mounted on this table using a frame, and it uses, come over, and it uses two motors, one to spin the big wheel and one to spin our beautiful Donkey Kong picture. So as you can see here, I'm gonna turn on the one to spin the Donkey Kong. So our contraption uses two motors, one to spin the Donkey Kong, as seen here. He spins in a counterclockwise motion, and one that spins our big wheel. The wheel is made out of styrofoam because it is lightweight and easy to cut. Easy to cut. Okay, cut the video. I would also like to add the frame was designed so that it could be easily clamped down to a surface so that it can be transported to school, for example. But in the future, we would like to create more of a frame so that it's more of an arcade game, and yeah.
So next we'll look at what's inside the box. So we have a camera. This webcam is what takes the picture and lets us detect where the laser's pointing. And then we have a pack of 9-volt batteries over here for the LED, because LED needs 36 volts for some reason. We have a H-bridge, which acts as a relay. So our Raspberry Pi, which stores all the code and runs our processing. Essentially, that outputs at 3.3 volts, so that steps up the output from 3.3 to 9 volts and whatever else needed to run the banana. Alright, so next we're going to talk about the banana. So as you can see, the banana's been 3D printed, has a nice organic shape, fits really great in the hand, you know? So there's this trigger here, then there's a lot of wires, LED for just like fun purposes, add that atmosphere to our arcade game. And we have our laser pointer. So whenever we have the laser pointer, it's pretty bright, so that makes it easier to detect. And then there's actually a motor in here with an eccentric weight. So what happens is whenever we pull the trigger, it vibrates. You can probably hear it. We'll do that again. Very nice. Okay, so basically how the game works is that while the target's spinning, the laser pointer, you have to aim at Donkey Kong and pull the trigger. And then if you come and look at the TV screen over here, it will detect the target. Right now, since we don't have the lighting correct, it's detecting the trash can as the target and the laser pointer right there. So right now, we're sitting in the dark because this is the ideal environment to detect the laser and the light. So you can see Ulysses holding the banana.
I'm gonna shoot and I'm gonna miss.
So we can see the target right there and how the laser missed the target. So it's reported as a miss and the score did not increase. It took a lot of tries, but eventually we got the target to hit, and this is what it looks like.
As you can see here on our output, it says we hit and it looks like a hit.
Nice.